You ever heard somebody say, if you take the standard deduction, you can't write off anything? That's like saying you can't lose weight if you eat breakfast. It just doesn't make sense. The truth is, even with the standard deduction, there are plenty of legal ways to shrink your taxable income. You just need to know where to look. I am the Financial Watchman, and today we're about to help you save some serious dollars. No calculator degree required. What does standard deduction really mean? Think of it like the IRS's don't bother with receipts discount. In 2026, it's $16,100 for singles, $32,200 for joint filers, and $24,150 for head of households. It's a freebie, but it doesn't lock you out of everything else. You can still stack other deductions and tax credits right on top. Taking the standard deduction just means you're skipping the paperwork buffet, not the dessert. Let's talk about the above-the-line deductions, the secret sauce. These deductions lower your adjusted gross income before you even apply the standard deduction. These are the traditional IRA contributions, which is up to $7,000 or $8,000 if you're 50 plus. Your 401k contributions, up to $23,500 plus $7,500 catch-up. The HSA contributions, up to $8,550 for a family. Student loan interest, up to $2,500. Also, educator expenses. Teachers, you're finally getting a little love from the IRS. You're basically telling Uncle Sam, don't tax me on what I saved, tax me on what's left over. Let's talk about workplace benefits that quietly save you thousands of dollars. If your job offers benefits, use them. They're like cheat codes for taxes. There's the FSA, pre-tax dollars from medical costs. The Dependent Care FSA, up to $5,000 for daycare. Commuter benefits, transit and parking with pre-tax money. Every pre-tax dollar is one less dollar the IRS gets to invite to the party. And trust me, the IRS doesn't bring snacks, just the bill. Hey, if this video is saving you more money than your last coupon code, smash the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more financial game plans every day. And if you really want to support the mission, you can buy me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/The Financial Watchman. Because let's be real, explaining taxes this clearly should at least earn me a medium roast. Let's talk about tax credits, the real heavy hitters. Credits are even better than deductions. They don't just lower your income, they lower your actual tax bill. There's the child tax credit, up to $2,000 per kid under 17. The Child and Dependent Care Credit helps cover daycare. And we all know how expensive that is. There's the Savers Credit for people contributing to retirement on lower incomes. Last but not least, the Education Credit, American Opportunity and Lifetime Learning. Think of deductions as discounts on your price tag, but credits, that's cash back from the IRS. You're not just saving money, you're reclaiming it. Here's some smart strategy moves to go even further. Harvest capital losses. Offset your gains and up to $3,000 of income. Roth IRA contributions. No deduction now, but tax-free growth forever. Start a side business. Write off legit costs like mileage, laptop, or your phone bill. And no, buying a flat screen to research the stock market doesn't count, unless you're watching the Financial Watchman channel, of course. And that's what you call a shameless plug. But let's talk about the hidden levers that quietly matter. Adjust your W-4 to avoid paying taxes. Use head of household if you qualify. Make catch-up contributions if you're 50 plus. Prepay some expenses in December if you're self-employed. Small adjustments now can save you hundreds or maybe thousands of dollars later. Remember, the tax code isn't evil. It's just written in accounting language. Luckily, I speak that language fluently. So don't let anyone tell you the standard deduction means you're out of moves. You've still got levers, credits, and strategies hidden in plain sight. The tax system isn't about punishment, it's about participation. You just have to know the rules. This is not financial advice, just motivation to get your money playing defense and offense at the same time. I am the Financial Watchman, keeping guard over your dollars today so you can finally sleep like someone who didn't wait until April 14th to file. And I'm signing out. Bye-bye, y'all.